Hello friends, this is Dr. Ibrahim. The topic that I have chosen for you is very important. What to change in your daily life to reduce anxiety and stress. First of all, we need to understand what is anxiety and stress. Whenever our body goes through a stressful event, there is a response to it and that is reflected in the form of anxiety. Anxiety has following symptoms. Heartbeats become fast, sweating, loss of sleep, fast breathing, feeling restless, feeling dizzy. During stress, one of important hormone of our body called cortisol gets increased. This hormone also called stress hormone. Due to this reason, people are more prone to get diabetes, heart disease, and other health problems. Now I want to talk about some of the changes that you can bring in your life to control stress and anxiety. Number one, eating foods rich in vitamin B. Why? Because vitamin B deficiency causes anxiety, depression, and mood swings. Let's talk about the foods that we can eat to compensate the deficiency of vitamin B. Organ meat, especially liver, seafood, poultry, eggs, dairy products, cereal, sunflower seeds, and nutritional yeast. Number two, eating foods rich in omega 3, that is, fish, salmon, mackerel, tuna, herring, sardines, spinach, broccoli, walnut, avocado, olive oil. Number three, eating foods rich in magnesium and potassium. Why? Because during stress, magnesium and potassium are excreted from our body and we have deficiency of both these minerals. Both of these minerals are very important for our body. Magnesium plays important role. What it does, it decreases blood pressure. It controls heart rate. It decreases anxiety and stress level. Potassium also plays an important role. What it does, it reduces our muscle cramps. It helps elevate our mood. The foods that we need to eat to prevent deficiency of these minerals are banana, leafy greens, spinach, avocado, cashew, almond, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and dark chocolate. Number four, vitamin D. Vitamin D is an important vitamin of our body. Many research studies have proved that people with anxiety and depression have low levels of vitamin D. It plays an important role in regulation of serotonin and melatonin, which in turn helps in regulation of our mood and sleep patterns. Let's see what we can do to increase vitamin D levels. Sun exposure. Yes, it's very easy to spend time in sunlight at least 3 to 4 times per week for about 15 to 20 minutes. Vitamin D is also called sunshine vitamin. If it is not possible for you, then you can get supplements of vitamin D. 1000 in international unit per day. You can also consume fatty fish, seafood, mushroom, and egg yolks. Number 5 is herbal teas. Now I will talk about some herbal teas: ginger tea, lemon balm tea, chamomile tea, and passion flower tea. If you use them, it will help to decrease your stress and anxiety level. Number 6, lifestyle changes. Lifestyle changes play a big part. What you have to do? Decrease coffee, tea, cold drinks, and energy drinks. Why? Because all these increase cortisol level in your body, which is a stress hormone. Do exercises, go to gym, walk, go to park, relax, organize, and pay attention to your sleep pattern. Remember, a good night's sleep of 7 to 8 hours is a must. I hope you like this video, and by implementing these important health tips, you can control and decrease your anxiety and stress level. Please take care of your health. See you soon in next video with another important topic. Till then, bye.